What's up everyone, this is Tech Hadi. Today I will discuss the topic part 3 of an 18-wheeler accident Tony and how we prove negligence in 18-wheeler truck accident claims. Let's start our video. An 18-wheeler truck accident can leave you with catastrophic injuries. While each accident differs, you may have a right to compensation for your damages, including medical costs, lost wages, and emotional trauma. If you lost a loved one, you may be able to file a wrongful death claim. No one should pay out of pocket for expenses that result due to an accident beyond their control. Filing a wrongful death claim. While no amount of money can replace your loved one, compensation may help ease your financial burden. Some expenses for which you may qualify include lingering medical debt, loss of consortium, loss of inheritance, emotional trauma, and pain and suffering. After a free evaluation of your case, our legal team can determine your losses that qualify for compensation from a liable party. We will handle our communication with all parties in your case and negotiate for a fair settlement from the insurance company. If we don't reach a settlement on your behalf, we could take your case to court to seek a verdict award. Now we will discuss how we prove negligence in 18-wheeler truck accident claims. One of our lawyer's main responsibility is to establish who is responsible for your 18-wheeler truck accident and how we can prove that they acted negligently by causing it. Parties that could be liable in your truck accident include the truck driver who hit you, the trucking company or the driver employer, the person or company that owns the truck involved in your accident, the repair shop responsible for maintaining the truck, the manufacturer of the truck and or its parts, the company or worker responsible for packing and securing the truck's cargo. These are just some of the parties that could be held liable. We will investigate you and review the evidence available to make your case, including police report, medical report, photos, videos, and witness statement. The four elements of the claim we need to prove. Duty of care, breach of duty of care, causation, and last one is damages. Showcasing these four factors can prove challenging. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye.